Very warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about collagen. What is collagen and why is it so important? Collagen is a protein that makes up about 25% of the body's protein content. It's a structural protein that helps build connective tissue, not just for the skin, but also for the bones and the muscles. Now, collagen has been shown to improve the appearance and the health of your skin, hair, and nails. It's actually one of the most popular supplements in the world for anti-aging because it can help boost skin firmness and elasticity. As you age, your collagen production decreases, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. But by taking a collagen supplement, you can help improve the appearance of your skin and reduce the signs of aging. Collagen also helps with joint pain and inflammation. One study found that taking collagen supplements for 4 weeks led to a significant reduction in knee pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your skin, hair, and joint health, then collagen might be the answer. So make sure to watch our next video on how to incorporate collagen into your daily routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.